Bumagsak na.
Okay lang. Sabi naman niya, okay lang.
Good day to all of you. My name is John Alvin Bautista Chavez, 11 years of age. My parents are Mr. Arvin Chavez and Mrs. Mary Charvin Chavez. I am very grateful to the Lord because He has given me supportive parents like them. I like to play online games, listen to music, and play basketball. I also love to eat, that's why I want to be a chef someday. Let's give me Simon. Put God first, and He will take me. Good day to all.